What's up everyone, and welcome to the first of my tutorials. Just today I'm going to be explaining how to take you through or how to run a script on Parabot. This will be when you've compiled a script. If you've gone onto the Parabot website, and I'm sure you've noticed that some people just post the paste bins, I'm going to be showing you today how you can use those actually onto your Parabot. So first things first, what we're going to want to be doing is you're going to want to go to bdn.parabot.org. On there you can download the Parabot. Once you've got that, it should show up in your download section, but I have moved mine to YouTube, and there you go. So that's the first thing. Second thing you'll notice here, this is the API of 3.17. That's what you're going to be using later on when you compile it. So that will also be in the description. That will give you both of these files. They're the two main things that you're going to need to start off with. Once you've done that, you're going to want to run this file. Once it's run, you should get it open like this. Once that's done, you're going to want to log in. There we go. So you're going to want to choose your server that you've been playing on. I've been playing on this one, and I'll be using it for the demonstration. So once this is all run, perfect, I don't need that anymore, so what I'm going to do is going to close that. I am then going to go and show you on to, I'm just going to take this off the screen so you don't see anything. What happens is in your documents folder, a new folder will be created called Parabot. In here you will get these three files appear. The next thing you want to be doing from this, sorry, bear with me 2 seconds. Next thing from this is finding the script you would like to use. So today I'll just be showing you, we'll go to this one. Okay, perfect. So as you can hear, it's a GitHub, so we'll load that up, go into the source folder, and you can see here it's one of these. So what I'm going to do is going to highlight all of this, copy it. I'm then going to open a new notepad folder, or new notepad document. I'm going to paste everything onto there. Now this step's really important. So they will normally say save it as this or save as something.jar. So if they don't, a little tip is if you can go up to here and see the name, so copy the name. Please bear in mind that if you are going to write this in, it is cap sensitive, that I've noticed. I could be wrong, but I believe it is cap sensitive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that folder. I'm going to File, Save As. Now this is important because what you're going to want to do is change it to all files. Then go to paste the name and write .java. Now in here you're going to want to go to your documents, Parabot, scripts, and then in the sources folder, that's where you want to save it. So I'm going to save that now, and as you can see it's saved. I've got the correct name up there, and I'm going to close this. Perfect. Right, then I need to close that again. Next thing will be compiling it. So on the first source folder, this is the .java. I'm just going to close it again, 2 seconds. Where has it gone? Right, there we go. So scripts, sources, and it's there. So I'm just going to open that. Should open in my sources folder. The next are the two jar files. So the first one that I'm going to use is under Parabot. Actually, no, it's not. It's under, sorry about this guys, very unorganized for me. It's under my YouTube section. Right, if nothing shows up here, what you've got to do is go down to here where it says WinRAR archive. Just change it to all files and it should come up. So I'm going to change this just down to Parabot for ease later. So I'm going to open that. I'm then going to choose my second one of the API, of the 317 API. This will change if you're using it for a different server. From different servers to servers, this could change, but they will make you aware. So the second thing is what we've got to focus on in here is your JDK version. So I'm actually running 1.7, but 1.7.0.73. But what you can do to do that is you go to C, Program Files, then onto Java, and then there you go, that's the JDK version you'll be using. So if it says 1.7 or 1.8, that's the section that you want to be clicking here. So I'm going to click 1.7, and all going well, this should compile straight away. Compiling, no errors, perfect. So what we're going to want to do is, instead of downloading the jar, we're going to want to download all classes. Perfect. And what that happens is that comes up here. I'm going to extract to I'm going to extract it to my Parabot, so I'll find that. It's not in downloads, it would be documents, Parabot, scripts, compiled, perfect. Or you can just drag and drop. So once that's gone into the correct folder, I can show you here. Scripts, nope, compiled, perfect. So we've got a dot class. The next thing we want to do is we're going to make want to make the Parabot run from locally. So what you do there is you have to create a .bat folder, or a .bat file. So you go to new, where is it? Text document. Perfect. So I name mine run, and then going to go edit, and I'm just going to bring up the bit of code that you will need to run this. I believe it was in my other folder. Sorry, I don't know the bit of code off the top of my head. So it was in documents. Perfect. So this is the bit of code that you're going to be needing. Again, remember when I changed my my full Parabot name to just parabot.jar? This is so this bit of code knows what to run. So if we put the two downloaded jar files, these two, so my Parabot, I want to, actually I'll put cut, and I will put those into my documents folder, paste. So again, just to clarify, these are the two bits that you downloaded earlier, the main Parabot bot and the API for it. Next we created the local beg your pardon, we created the local bat folder. So if I cut that, because I copied the wrong one like a spanner, so if I go back to documents, Parabot, and then paste. Right, so now once I've run this, you can see it comes up with this, and then immediately loads my Parabot. So if I go up to scripts, run, as you can see it showed up here perfectly. So just to recap, these are the steps that you should go through. You should download everything that you've needed, run Parabot, then close it, find a script that you like, download it and save it as the correct name .java. Next you want to use the JXXX to compile the script. Once you've downloaded it, download the zip and then drag the .class files over to your compiled section. You then want to make the run.bat so you can run it locally, make it, and then you want to run it. Next you use the skep, and step 10, win the game. Perfect. If I have missed anything, this has been Lord G Mage, and if I've missed anything, please do let me know and I'll try and help you out the best I can. Again, sorry for the bits in the middle where I've forgotten through poor organisation, but I hope this helped you guys. Thank you very much and goodbye.